Hi, this is Elisha and welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps that you have to take for you to be able to deposit money into your yellow card account. So now what is it that you have to do? Let's take a ride. Well, the first thing is you have to log into your yellow card account, and the first page, that the home page that you're going to be first with is this one. So now you go to the tab, the deposit tab, click it. And when you click it, you will be first by this page. From here, you need to select the deposit mode or the method by which you'd love to deposit your money into your yellow card. So go by bank transfer. When you click that, you'll be brought to this page where you will need to punch in the amount of money that you need to deposit. So now you check here, the minimum amount of money that you can deposit is 100 question, and the maximum is 20,000. So you simply click this part where the arrow is pointing, and then you type in the figures. Is it 100? Is it a 200? And when you're done, click next, and you'll be brought to this part. So you've actually punched in the digits. That is the amount of money you'd love to deposit. And then you click next. Okay, so now you'll come this far where you'll be asked to complete your payment. So they're saying confirm deposit amount. So the amount that will be paid is 108, but there'll be no deductions. But if you're using your mobile money account, there'll be deductions. So here you click confirm, and then you will come to this part. So now when you come this far, what you would need to do is you click this part, which is actually pointed at by the red arrow saying tap to copy. You're copying this account number. This is actually the bank account number for yellow yellow card services. Okay, so you click that, and then you will see a notification that that number has actually been copied to the clipboard. And from here, you come this far. What you do is now you leave that part, you close that part. That could be on your phone, and then you now go ahead to the phone book, or you simply go to that part where you have to punch in the digits, especially whenever you want to make a call or just want to dial some numbers. So you come here and then you punch in the numbers that you punch in whenever you want to send money. So from here, you click send, and then you have manifold options here. How do you want to send money? Do you want to send it? Do you want to send money, or do you want to get cash and make payments? So click. You simply punch in 1 to indicate that you want to send money. Then click send. Okay, so from here, you select banks. So you go by the option number 4, punch in 4 here, and click send. Then you will come this far. You will see a manifold options of banks to which you'd love to send the money to. So go by Zanaco. So here you are going to punch in number 2. Then after that, you now paste that account number that you copied from there in this area. Then you click send. So after clicking send, you will be brought this far. So here you will just have to punch in your your PIN number for sending money on your mobile or from your mobile money account. Then you click send. Boom, and there will be a notification that the transaction has successfully been processed. Then click OK. Now you need to go back now to yellow card page so that you pick it up from where you had left. So you can now click I have made my deposit, and then this page will actually pop up. So just click I understand, and then you begin to wait for a confirmation. But the moment you reach this stage, you will receive a notification on your phone that a deduction has been made. Well, this is how you do it. If you need to see now other videos on how you can actually withdraw money from your yellow card account and how you can connect these to other paying apps, then you need to subscribe and make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that anytime I happen to go live, you happen to be alerted, or anytime I happen to post a video, you happen to be alerted. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.